guys, welcome back to the workshop. We've had some questions. How do we make scale eco blocks and scale K rails? So today I'm going to do a little video to show you how I personally do it. Smooth On, company name, and Vitaflex 60. There's part B and there's a part A. It's 2-part silicone. I like these because you don't have to measure it with a scale, you measure by volume. So if you put 2 ounces of part B, you put 2 ounces of part A and mix them together. When you're working with this Vitaflex 60, it's very important that we do a 2-piece mold because this is a very, it's very tough. It doesn't have the flexibility to flex very much to let your finished product be easily demolded, unless it's a 2-part mold. First half of it, we suspended it up here, you know, so the bottom somewhere in here, glued there. We mixed up our equal parts of A and B, and we dumped them in beside here. These are just keyways that help the 2-part mold to fit together, and they orientate it so it helps it to keep locked together in the proper orientation. It's very important to do a few of those. You know, since I'm doing a 2-part mold, I have with me right here, mixed up in this container, some petroleum jelly. It's about 2 parts petroleum jelly to 1 part of mineral oil. Not mineral spirits, mineral oil. Here's what we got right here. Mineral oil. And petroleum jelly. Because we are doing a 2-part mold, we need to paint this stuff on top of this other mold here, and pay careful attention to get down inside these holes here that are keyway holes. Very important we get all this covered with that petroleum jelly and mineral oil mixture. You could do it with just plain petroleum jelly. Myself, I like the mineral oil because it helps to make it a little more, makes it go on a little bit easier with when I apply it with this brush. Back out of here, we've got our 2 parts mixed together, and we're going to continue to just keep pouring this in here until our mold gets full. I'm going to have a little bit left over, a little bit wasted, but that's not going to be too bad. Alright, we're getting close. I'm going to call that good right there. I had a 60-minute pot life on this, meaning this stuff right here in this cup will remain in this liquid, pliable state for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, it'll begin to harden, and we'll bring you back tomorrow after this is set for 16 hours plus the pot life, so 17 hours. And we'll unmold this and see what we wind up with. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. It's been the next day. We've allowed this material to fully cure. It's had over 17 hours to cure. Its cure time is 16-hour cure time plus the 1-hour pot life. So 17 hours total this material needs to cure. I've spared you the repetitiveness of disassembling the foam board, mold board that we poured this in. We've disassembled most of it. I've got it ready to split apart. And this is why we do this as a 2-piece mold, because this material, the way these grooves are here and having this piece on top, there's no way we have enough flexibility in this material to flex it enough to just pull this out this way. So by doing this as a two-part mold, we'll put some rubber bands around this and fill the mold this way. And then when it's time to remove it, it's a matter of just separating the mold this way. We split the mold right in half, and we can easily remove our finished product. We've got this new mold here. Let's put it to work. Quick reek concrete. I get it at the Home Depot. I like it because it cures in about an hour, as long as the ambient temperature is around 70 degrees. Oh, let's make our new mold. Alright folks, it's been an hour. This stuff's perfectly cured. It's set up now. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the mold. Simple as removing these rubber bands. Separate the mold halves. That one pops out. Give it a little pressure, a little pry, and a little pressure that way. There is our newly created Eco Block. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how we made the mold. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that like button, and if you're not yet, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to us. And to those who already are, thank you. We appreciate each and every one of our subscribers. Without you, this channel would not continue to grow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.